Thank you, man. Ted, from Yoshi Exchange.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know you're doing a partnership with them. Can you introduce yourself, man?
Yeah, I'm a community leader from Yoshi Exchange, and Yoshi Exchange itself is a DEX and a DEX aggregator on Fantom. Also, we are currently developing fiat and ramp integration. So in future, people will be able to buy tokens simply by a banking card. And also, if someone is currently interested in allowing their users to buy tokens right on their website without leaving it, then we also offer a widget, so you can ask me afterwards. Thanks.
Sorry, I muted myself like an idiot. Now we have Bean Dogs from Raiders. Can you introduce yourself, brother?
Yeah, bro. I'm X Beandog X, here to represent the Raiders NFT. We are a gamified yield farming, so by owning one of our NFTs, you're investing into our project. You're going to be able to earn our tokens through our GameFi that we're building. We have a long way to go, but we got some great starting points. A lot of people are having fun, so trying to get as many people over as we can now because we got a little pre-sale going on. Basically, anyone who mints is going to qualify for pre-sale prices on our raid token. So, encouraging a lot of people to get over there and get involved. Check out what we're doing. You're going to be able to earn our tokens through our.
And Tulip from the Tulip DAO. They've been friends with us for a while now. Can you introduce yourself, brother? Even though I think everyone knows you here.
Yeah, what's going on, guys? I am trading tulips, the talking head from the Tulip DAO. We are the first investors DAO on Fantom blockchain and hopefully beyond. We have not officially launched yet, but we are community building and developing a quite sustainable model for the future. So come check us out.
Was answering a text. So some of the other people are a little bit late, and they're going to be popping up throughout the. Oh no, Hawkest is here. Okay. Hawkest from Refi is here. Can you introduce yourself, brother?
Hey, buddy, what's going on? Oh, God. Yeah, so my name's Hawkest. I'm from Refi, which is one of the world's leading DeFi farming as a service protocols. We work with DAOs and other projects that have treasuries, which is basically Refi is a reflection token. So we go out and farm pretty much the best alpha there is. Our farming team's got 50 years of TradFi experience, and our profits are paid back to Refi holders in the form of reflections. So I'm here because I like money. I'm going to play the game with you guys.
And we also invited the Fantom Ecologist. He's not a project head, but he's a pretty influential member of the community, and we've been a fan for quite some time now. Can you introduce yourself, brother? Even though, again, I think everyone here knows you. Ecologist, you okay? I think he's having problems with his mic.
Yeah, he has a new headset, as far as I remember.
Pharaoh, your mic is extremely quiet, by the way.
I do. Okay, I'll put it a little bit
That's
better.
That's better.
Okay, thank you.
I can't. I mean, who knows? That's whatever. But I mean, I have to believe that the drone.
Sorry, who said that? Okay.
Well, this past summer, yeah. So like that combo, right? Like just the severe drought and then too much. It's just that's a lot of stress.
Okay. We're gonna Fantom Ecologist. Can you hear me?
Because I'll be honest,
yeah. Okay.
I probably will.
I think his mic is having an issue.
Maybe.
Is that Stephen Hawking?
Yeah, I think his mic is a little screwed. Well, let's get to the part that we're all here for. It's time to have a little bit of fun. When is the next prediction starting? In 4 minutes. Okay. Let's play some games. Have some fun. I'm gonna bet 20 Phantom here. On bearish. I'm feeling bearish, guys.
My server muted that guy just for the record.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
All right. I'm actually. My mic's been fine. I think. Can you guys hear me?
Oh yeah, now we can hear you.
Yeah, it was just I'm just waking up for the day and accidentally pressed disconnect instead of mute myself. That's all. So I'm here and ready to go.
Sure. Can you introduce yourself, by the way, while we're doing this?
Yeah, no worries. So I am a Fantom ecologist, just basically a guy who loves Fantom and likes to try everything out and then talk about it on Twitter. And I run a Discord and kind of building up a community, just to focus on some of the things that I really care about and would like to see the direction of Fantom crypto go, to do with sort of like fundraising and conservation works, a bit of philanthropic work to go on with all of the fun and money that there is to be made around here.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
By the way, my prediction bet failed twice for some reason.
I went natural.
I went bearish. I'm feeling bad. Sometimes the predictions fail, and we actually get quite a little bit network issues on it, and yeah, we actually wanted to make the website a little bit faster, but the way the Tomb designed the original website had a little bit of issues.
Okay, for the third attempt it worked fine. From the third attempt, so now
just adding. There's a minimum bet. Did you make sure you hit the minimum bet on
yes,
that
of
one?
course. I kept track of it. It completed from the third attempt normally.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got that wrong, so I didn't see it at the bottom of the page. Oh, so you guys think bearish, right? So what, is Asia open yet? No, we got another hour for the markets open.
What? Excuse me, sorry.
So we're making bets on the market. So where I am in the UK, we've got another hour for the markets open, and usually you see like if stuff's going to gap because institutions start coming online and so on, new liquidities online.
So we're using the Chainlink price feeds for the Fantom price. So they're pulling information from several different places now.
Yeah, I'm just getting my charts up. You guys you're streaming this on Twitch as well, right?
I don't know if
it's up.
Yeah. Okay, then when we Fluke, can you do me a favor and post the stream for everyone to see?
If you guys want to post that link, I can also stream in here. I think I'm streaming in here as well.
Are you?
Okay. Almost hitting the bet on 10-5. Let's see what happens. I'm hoping that I'm gonna make it back on this one.
I'm gonna put neutral on this one.
What is the neutral tolerance?
You're gonna give me a bag on this one, thank you.
It's a 0.8% variation. It's not on each side. 0.5%. Excuse me. Sorry.
So that's basically about 1 cent for Fantom.
Yeah, almost. Yeah. 0.4. Sorry.
My
dev was sending one of our devs is texting me that right now.
Oh yeah, done my bet. Boom.
Oh, I need to refresh.
Yeah, now I need to refresh. Did I win? I gotta check it. I put bearish. Did I win something?
No way, dude.
Oh, I think I won.
Did you win?
I think I did. It was
It says the last winner was neutral.
No, wait.
Oh, damn it.
I
thought I was gonna win.
How large does the margin have to be? Is it like 1% or?
There's a range, isn't there?
Yeah, it's 0.4%, either up or down. From the moment where it was checking it. So right now I got screwed. Well, I'm gonna do neutral now. Sure, it screwed me out of that one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like in about an hour, we're going to see volatility because the traditional markets will be back online again.
I'll put 15 Fantom on neutral.
I'm going bullish this time. I won the neutral, by the way.
I went bearish. Let's go.
No. Bull is the move. Here.
The thing is the time frames are so small. Like we're clearly downtrending, but it's just a matter of like how the margin is and the time frame.
Nah.
You know,
it's a descending triangle. It's a triangle. It should go up. I'm pretty confident it's going up.
Anybody trading on Tomb Forks this week?
don't get me started, sir.
I'm getting you started. Come on, let's talk.
I've aged 40 years this week.
Come on,
from compounding and breaking LPs and fucking. Okay,
that's how I feel too. I don't want to touch it.
You guys are gonna laugh at me, but the Harry Ye Ponzi.
Shut up.
I don't know if you've seen this. HarryYePonzi.com.
Yeah.
I managed to catch the bottom last night, and I turned 300 Fantom to about 9K, dude.
What? That blows the pants off of my bet.
I'm just here for the Ponzi's, man. I don't know.
I had a funny story today.
Except for Scarab, because they've clearly elevated to new levels here.
Yeah, there was some price action on G Scarab today.
It's happening. People know what's coming, and you know.
By the way, guys, I do want to tell people we made a sale of 30 G Scarab into Fantom to stock up our treasury. It's in the treasury. Everyone can check it out. It was just catching the pump. We try to catch those hypes to get resources to buy back Scarab. So we did do that, and it's in the treasury. Everyone can check it out.
Yeah, and that's not even a lot. So.
No, it was just for transparency reasons. I like to let people know. Oh damn! I'm not. My bet is so small in this one. Why am I getting out covered? I'm gonna put more.
I think I need to read up how this works.
I'm feeling.
I definitely got it right, but somebody else had put more in for neutral, so they won the pot. Is that how it works?
No. Can you refresh your cache, bro? We relaunched it. Now.
Let me do that. Yeah. Bear with me.
So neutral one.
Yeah, neutral one. I got wrecked on neutral.
Yeah, I had a hilarious moment today. So I was in Spectre, and their S share crashed like $50 from 300, and I was like, oh, what the hell? I'll just do a swing trade, and I bought in at 100, and 10 minutes later, some whale bought 80K worth, and my limits all hit, and it slipped up from my exit point another $50. Got like whatever that was. Yeah, that was nuts. That was a cool trade.
That was okay. That's actually damn. I want to get one of those. Why don't I don't catch a break like that,
bro? I get wrecked more than I win, so it was my turn.
Life's a Ponzi, and then you die.
Exactly. Where's the T-shirt for that? Where's the T-shirt for that?
We'll get one made up. Hey, they got NFT labs going over at Tombheads. You could make that.
Definitely could, huh?
Yeah, I bet you get a lot of support.
Collab with NFTs.
Yep.
All different kind of T-shirts. We've got 10,000 crazy T-shirts. Life's a Ponzi, then you die.
Okay,
new collection. You heard it first on Scarab.
Yeah. We're open to bet now.
Did the bet fall over? Let's see. Did I win? I'm checking.
Yes, yes, neutral one, but
neutral one. I put a time on that one.
So I see that rewards are like $8, which is basically just the reward itself. But does it add? Oh yeah. Now I see. It actually summarizes with the actual bet. So yeah, it just writes the reward. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're trying to. We're sorry for if it takes a little bit to load up. It's just the network is kind of slow, and the Tomb side has a bunch of issues that we're still gonna have to figure out. But it takes redoing everything from scratch, so we still haven't gotten to it. But it's essentially it does make it a little bit slow. It's really not about the latency. We've been upgrading servers. It still doesn't help.
So do we have so basically it's now telling me we've got a couple of minutes. So I've got to place the bet before when it says, and then is it the price difference between that point and then the minute later?
That point and the last 4 minutes. So in 4 minutes you have the price to buy, to bet, and it sets the point between the first minute and the final 5th minute. So in the last minute you can't place bets, and it's just basically starting to calculate what the price is going to be in the 5th minute, so we can know what the difference was essentially.
Sure.
I'm
Place my
gonna
first
So what you're saying?
I'm gonna put a bag of 20 on bullish.
So what you're saying is that essentially you can watch it for the first few minutes before you even place your bet.
For the first 3 or 4 minutes, yeah, you can watch it, and then you gotta place a bet. I'm actually gonna do something. I'm gonna go here on CoinMarketCap, and I'm gonna put a price chart for Fantom live.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm a little bit doubtful about the way how it works. I mean, imagine that there is a sharp move, and then you just know that, for instance, bullish or bearish wins, and then you put the bet, and then you win, right? Would it work that way?
Yeah, you can try to do that, but since the time gap is so small, it's hard to really.
Yeah, I mean, there are some crazy times of volatility. Imagine like May 19th, remember? Then like several thousand out of BTC dropped like in matter of seconds when liquidations happen.
Yeah, I mean, you can catch a couple of bets like that, sure. But since you're playing against everyone else, everyone else can see that.
That's
so
it.
Is there a video of that May 19 crash? Because I wasn't trading. I mean, I was trading traditional markets on that. I was on Nasdaq, shorting the crap out of it, but I wasn't in crypto land when that happened. I mean, been around since 2017, but I wasn't trading crypto on that day. I mean,
well, you know what's been curious about that? I remember that USDT on Binance was worth at certain point for several seconds, like $0.2, $0.3. So because there was like huge demand for stable coins.
Huh. We kind of saw that with MIM for a while when all that drama came out about Shifu.
Oh, by the way,
terrified. I had a giant bag of MIM and Fantom. I shit myself. The mummy made me sell like
Neutral
1 day
gang.
before. Neutral gang.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Nice.
So the only problem I see with this is if you watch it for 3 or 4 minutes before placing your bet, can't you essentially already know where it's going to land?
We're in a really flat market right now though, because it's pre-traditional markets opening. So like I said, give it about 45 minutes and you're going to see some volatility here.
It sort of depends, and people can try to game it however they think is best. But since everyone can do it, if you're playing better than other people, you can win more. The reason we did this game like this, it's because this way we wouldn't really be a casino. I'm not a fan of the casino model just because it's it would be sort of scummy because I would be feeling like we were scamming our own community just because they would be placing bets on us and we would be making money if they lost. So basically we coded like this where you're playing against each other and you win from other players and we take a fee obviously, but we're not taking any money if from you losing, right? You're just giving your pot to someone else. So this is why we made it like this.
Game of skill.
Yeah. Also because in where we're from, we would be gambling if it was a completely random game, and we cannot be doing gambling because that's not legal here. So we need a license and all that. So yeah, we do it like this. That way, it's not really gambling. It's just skill.
Sure, and I kind of had a question about that. With gambling, if you make a DAO and set it up for a gambling site, there's really not much they can regulate about that, right?
Well, we're actually getting lawyers even for ourselves, just because we need to get everything regulated so we can have player stuff and have money in real life. And we're getting lawyers to set up, and we're actually gonna have that too, because we want to make other games that would be a little bit more gambly, but we need to have lawyers first to help with that.
Yeah, I was just questioning, like, if you set up a DAO, then they can't shut you down because there's no entity to really hold accountable because it's just the community, right?
Well, they can go off your hosting, right? Or are we saying that all that lives beyond the reach of regulatory powers?
Yeah. I guess.
Yeah,
I
the hosting
guess
can
that's
just
true,
be in the
too.
country where it's legal.
Yeah.
What about?
At least until hosting's on the blockchain.
Yeah, when we get like Web3, like true Web3.
So I put 20 on neutral. Let's see.
Oh,
but
big
imagine, imagine that I would. By the way, I made $50 on that neutral bet. But yeah. What I was gonna say is, like that is fine. But if I want to take my money outside of crypto, I gotta justify it to the Portuguese government how I made that money. So I have to have a company, or at least, or have to declare it in my for my personal finance. So, well, I have to declare to the Portuguese government that how I made that money, and if I'm doing gambling, I have to tell them that that was gambling, and then they're gonna screw me. So that's the problem.
I was actually having this conversation with someone about how you could strip money out of crypto into fiat, and it sort of descended into this discussion of, so let's say you've got 100 grand in USDC. You don't want to pull down 100 grand into something like crypto.com where you can withdraw it into your bank account because somebody's going to notice that. So what you could end up with is these networks of people who take a couple of grand each and then wire the funds back into your account. So you withdraw individually. It obviously takes like a huge amount of trust. But like maybe it's not even people, then maybe it's wallets at that point where it's almost like tumbling, but instead of recombining into a different wallet, it's all different kinds of wallets that withdraw and then send the cash into one centralized place.
See, but the problem with that is when you start taking in all these funds, they're going to say, why are 10 people sending you small portions of cash? And stuff like that gets picked up. And they're like, where's this coming from?
Yeah, that's money laundering.
Yeah, I mean, I think there's fewer questions about that if it's like a business account. Then you have the argument about whether you're a money transmission business at that point, in which case you still have to be regulated.
It really depends where you live. If you are in Europe, you can really pretty easy live off crypto. Just use the Binance card, and you can easily live off crypto.
I know a lot of places that stateside that you can actually withdraw funds from like these Bitcoin ATMs. They require ID, but there's people that I know who have fake IDs and they pass through it just fine. So they can get cash payouts like an ATM from depositing their Bitcoin.
And those limited
wallet, and how do you track something like that? Well, they take like 5% or something. They take something off the top for operation fees.
Right. But I mean, like, if you wanted to pull out 30 grand from an ATM, could you do it?
Probably not. That's the thing. You probably have like limits, like $2,000 limit, but.
I won that one, I think. Yep, I won that one.
Neutral gang.
Neutral all day, man. I just keep losing money.
Over here. I'm gonna flip bearish as soon as the market opens because I think we're gonna see a dip.
The market is so.
I thought I caught the there was a mini pump there. I thought I caught it. Damn.
Let me check. It was. I'm gonna check by the minute because I'm being an idiot. Okay. Oh crap! There was a pump. There's a pump right now, and I'm low on battery. Oh damn! I left.
Are you on a 1 minute chart? There's no way there's a pump right now.
I checked. Oh yeah. Oh damn! No, now there's a dump. Why? Why are you
1
doing
minute
this?
is
Oh,
like crazy,
there's no volume on Fantom.
There's no volume on
no
anything,
volume.
dude. We're right before the market's open. There's not going to be any volume until open, and then we might see something. But after that rally on Friday, it might not be until New York Open on Monday that we see some corrections on these runs. Everything's at resistance right now.
Are you guys reading Chainlink mainnet?
Yeah. Chainlink price feeds. Give me 2 seconds.
So how much does the price have to differentiate by?
It looks like in the neutral column, neutral is sort of between $2.73, 2073 and 2089. So outside of that, if it's over it, it's bullish. If it's under, it's bearish. It's right in the middle of the screen there. That's what I've been going off anyway.
Oh, okay, I see.
It's really dead right now. He's just going sideways.
207.
Just be careful what you wish for, because we could see some hellfire this week. Is anybody follow traditional markets? Know what we're in for?
No, I don't.
Yeah, this whole Bitcoin drop is all timed with the general risk-off mentality, because everybody's worried about central banks increasing interest rates. They create this huge problem.
Didn't that get pushed back to March next month?
Because
nobody really knows. They're making bets about 5 interest rate increases in the U.S., right? So nobody really knows what's going to happen.
Okay, yeah. They don't know for sure, but it's like 98% positive that the Fed has said that they're going to increase interest rates, but it doesn't go into effect until March. So they're expecting like a big downturn in the market.
What they said is that they're going to discuss it. They're not going to taper. They're not going to taper off until the interest rates get raised. And in March, they didn't say they're going to. They said that they're going to reconvene again to discuss it.
Interesting.
Because they can't raise it
looking at the way that it's going, like everyone's pretty sure, like, yeah, they have to. Otherwise, it's going to be bad for the whole market.
They're gonna have to eventually. They do need to taper off for sure. I think they're gonna do it. And this is the problem with fucking markets. They're so irrational. As soon as the risk of raising interest rates shows up, people start panicking, and it creates all these issues.
The word around the block is that the president has a very unpopular vote right now. So they're saying that until the midterms come about and they push past that they're not going to really, shoot us in the head per se.
It'll be the next guy's problem.
So they kind of want to, you know what I'm saying, kind of push the can as far as they can. And I think it's going to be after the midterms that they do something. Even if that's when the real interest rate hike will come. If they do something, it's about going to be minimal, like the 0.2, the 0.25% hike. But they're not going to start like dropping the hammer until a little later. So we might have a little bull run to take advantage before the shit happens.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well. I mean, for me, the bigger issue is the liquidity. So they're tapering from 120 billion in asset purchases a month down to nothing. But they've talked about quantitative tightening, and the last time they talked about that, what was it, like 2018? Everything shit the bed. So the reason why that's a problem for people like us is that liquidity gets used in traditional finance markets to create option-based buying and selling. It creates these complex conditions where options drive price. It's not necessarily the underlying purchase of the asset that drives price. You see it a lot in Bitcoin now, and I think increasingly it will happen in Ethereum. So I think the bigger concern is not so much the interest rates, because the real interest rate is like negative territory, right? If our price indicators are like 5-6%, it means our actual interest rate is something like -5% because of inflation. So even if they boost the interest rate 5 times this year and we get like 1 or 2%, it still doesn't compete with inflation. And ultimately, it's the liquidity that matters. It's not necessarily the interest rate, I think.
I'm out of my depth on that one.
Some knowledge on you.
I tend to avoid too much macro nonsense and stick to what's currently affecting markets. Too much speculation will get you killed.
I don't disagree.
Can we talk about SinSPIRIT?
Yeah, I try to play long term. No, I don't like short term plays.
I'll say this: we are definitely at a decision point. Bitcoin has broken out of its downtrend and is sitting on it as support currently, but that could change at any second, like on a whim. It could be a definite fake out. We'll see what happens.
We'll see. It sometimes it looks like a bull trap, to be honest.
I don't know. I think we're gonna consolidate for a while here. If you look at the weekly chart and all kind of charts, we need to be patient. I think we're going up, but we need to be patient.
I'm happy with that, because when Bitcoin is calm, that's when all the alts do their thing. So I'm in a lot of GameFi stuff right now. I'd like to see my GameFi bag get pumped up by stable market conditions.
Yeah, and if you look like at the weekly charts, you see the RSI, how the patterns, it's just consolidating for a while, like for almost a year. On the RSI wise, if you look at the weekly, so I don't know, we could consolidate for some weeks, then move by mid-year to a new all-time high or something like that. That would be cool. So we can farm and chill.
The best, the coolest thing is always when moon.
Yeah, I don't. How do you guys feel about that? How do you guys feel about that? Like that whole I'm gonna get rich, make me rich instantaneously.
I hate that so much, because we catch so many apes that just do the craziest investments, and then they tell you, Dev, do something. And I see this on every Discord, right? It's on every community. It's hilarious. It's hilarious, but it's like people who are spending like $20 and they're telling you, when am I gonna buy a Lambo? If they lose the money, they're like, why did I lose my money? It's a high risk play. If you want to make a ton of money with not very much, you're gonna have to play high risk. You gotta be willing to lose it.
Yeah, it's no talking to the mob.
You're really gonna split your.
But honestly, according to my experience as a community leader, people who invested a lot are not much better, because they try to claim some extra privilege for some extra information. They keep writing personally, sending the screenshots of their investment, even though I won't give them any extra info simply because they bought some tokens. So yeah, and it's crazy, and I can't just send them away in a rude way, so I just try to be polite.
That's all you can do.
But it's true. Some whales can be very conceited. They act like, oh, I'm heavily invested, so you should do everything that I say. It's like, dude.
Yeah, like I own your shit now.
Are you talking about Harry right now?
Got my token, so I don't have to deal with you no more, man.
Don't say his name; he'll show up.
He will, actually. It's like Bloody Mary. Say his name 3 times in the mirror.
You guys had any big acquisition offers yet?
He'll be here with the IMF.
If we got hit with acquisition offers, no, I did talk to him, but we didn't talk about that. We honestly, I went to talk to him because I saw that tweet and I didn't want to get hit. I was like, okay, if he's gonna come after the Tomb Forks, I want to find out if he's gonna try to sue us or not. So I went to talk to him, and he basically said, "Nah, you're cool because you didn't rug." So at least I think he was honest on that one. I think, or at least he got enough backlash from the community that he decided not to.
There was nothing he could do anyway. It was an open source license. So I mean,
I'm not saying that he could succeed. To be honest, my only fear was that,
it's the shit that comes with it. Yeah, it's an expense. Huge expense.
I have to pay for a lawyer if he's suing me, and I can't. He can afford to pay lawyers for like 150 years, and I cannot. So that was my fear, right? He would basically sue us into the ground.
But the thing is, like, it really rubs everyone the wrong way, because it's like you're sitting there saying all this shit shouldn't be open source, but it's like, where did you come from? Like, you're Soup Finance basis tokens, so I mean, like, you've already forked to get where you're at, and you took it over, and you were fine with it. So why go after everyone else, man?
Don't get me started. I roasted Harry so hard on Twitter, just so hard.
I think it was great that the Fantom community got together and gave him a taste of what we really want. That we're not going to stand up for shit like that.
Right. I mean, that keeps the network healthy and everything. I commend everyone who did, because I know a lot of people were just like, I got too much at risk, or I can't do this. You got to really stand up for the principles of everything. And
this is the blockchain, man. I agree. And like 90% of the people who pushed crypto to the point where it is right now, like they stood on they stood on the foundation of decentralization and self-sovereignty to get to where we are today. So it's a sacrifice because some fucking billionaire waves this fucking wad around, dude, is like, it's just disrespectful in my eyes. So I 100% not stand for that shit.
What upset me was, like, he was like, if you guys don't dox, you're basically either a rug or you're trying to evade taxes. And it's not always like that, because I mean, you look back at the Bitcoin white paper, man, it wasn't about anything like that. Like, they just didn't want to have like one central authority that could be controlled by government or one individual, or shit, someone could kidnap your family. Like, you don't know.
Yeah.
Who created Bitcoin?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Who created Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Nobody knows.
And let's be honest, all of us as devs, at least, we know for sure that it's forking, or at least having other contracts from other pros and other developers to check out, not just, to copy, but to develop on top of that and to try to make changes, to try to do something different. You need that. You can't be reinventing the wheel for doing everything. If we did that, we would develop so much slower. So all of this being decentralized allows us to build much faster and then innovate much faster. Because if I build something really cool, tomorrow there's going to be people looking at it and thinking, how can I do this better? How can I copy it? Maybe I make a change or two, and everyone is creating their own variations. So killing that would kill DeFi.
That's not bad either. But at the same time, I think, like, if you're going to fork someone's code, kind of like what Danny did with Time, when he originally forked Time from Ohm, he was like, we're going to pay respect to you guys for creating this protocol, and we're going to back your treasury. I mean, regardless of what happened after that, it was like he kind of came out with that originally. Regardless of how you feel about Danny right now, I think it just kind of looking back at that was the right thing to do, and what you should do if you're going to take someone else's code and build upon it. Like, you pay them a little homage for what they've contributed.
Of course.
Yeah, I actually, that was a good move from Danny, to be honest. But after everything else. By the way, guys, just because the market is really fucking neutral right now, we decided to lower the margin just a little bit to 0.2, so we can have a little bit more variation, and we don't have the neutrals beating everyone.
Let's go.
Just have a little bit more fun. Give it a little bit of a a little bit less margin. The market is boring right now. Let's see. Okay, I'm actually pulling it up right now on live from Chainlink. Like, this thing doesn't move. Give me the card. Thank you. Let's see. That bet is falling. Now, I think that bet is falling. Did I win?
I was wondering where my money went, and then I realized there's a claim.
Boom! Is this showing value in USD or in Fantom?
It's showing the value in USD.
It is. How much you made, Tulip? Wait.
I feel like it's showing me in USD, but I'm betting. Oh, so I'm betting in USD when I bet, not Phantom.
No, you're betting a Phantom.
Mm.
You're getting Phantom back?
I think it's because of the weight. Like people, if you got more people betting against you.
Sorry, couldn't hear you.
I said I think it's because of the weight. Like if you have more people betting against you, wouldn't you have a larger share coming back?
Yeah, exactly. It depends. It depends. For example, if there's 100,000 Phantom getting bet on bullish, and there's 5 on bearish because one guy bet against them all, he's gonna win 1,000 Phantom. So
no, it's Phantom value on the claim page, guys.
Yeah. Sorry. That is a fucking mistake that I told our full stack.
Well, I'm happy because I was like, that's not right. I should have won way more. It's like, you know, but it's Phantom, so that's right. But you just got to change this from a $sign to FTM.
Oh, it's
guys, I'm
Fantom.
sorry.
Okay.
I'm 30 Phantom in profit, guys.
I understood it differently. I understood it that's my reward, and the Phantom which invested is going to return it without, being pointed there.
It's Phantom. It's full Phantom.
Well, damn, I don't feel so bad now.
Now, with all this with lowering the margin, I'm feeling bullish. I'm gonna put.
Yeah, same. I went bullish.
Yeah. I'm feeling like I can win this one. I'm feeling confident about this one. Because show me the profits.
Show me the money.
Everyone's going bullish. Stop! Don't do that.
I can't bet.
No, don't all bet with me.
What money is he gonna take, you guys?
Yeah, stop copying me.
Oh, there it went. Shit,
Why can't I place the bet now? Oh, now I can. It just lagged a bit.
No.
I missed this round.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, we're sorry. Sometimes, like we really did try to. No, everyone placed on Phantom. Okay, on bullish, but we really try to get the site faster. The fucking problem is we're pulling information from the chain, and then and then on the website itself, the way the cache works and everything, it's a giant mess, and we have to restructure the whole website now.
Oh, I'm gonna place another bet on bearish on the off because the range is so small now. It could slip underneath it.
Oh damn! Oh damn! No, he's gonna take the whole bag. He's gonna take the whole bag. Oh, I would bet neutral now.
I bet neutral already. I'm hoping.
Yeah. Neutral. That's what it was.
Actually, I bet neutral. Does
it close? Is it gonna? 1 minute?
Oh no! It's like 1 minute. What's it gonna do? It's like literally one tick off.
Please show me the money.
I think if it's on an average though, I think it's probably looking like it's gonna be bullish.
It's not. It's not an average. It's between the initial point and the final point.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm meaning though. From like the average of the last 5 minutes. I mean, we already got 4 minutes laid in.
Yeah.
Oh, it's time.
Please show me bullish. No,
we
got wrecked. I got wrecked. I think. I got
Where'd
wrecked.
it come? Neutral.
I think it came neutral. Let me check.
That can't be
I'm loading
right.
again.
Yeah, that was the last one, I think.
Oh yeah, no, okay, no, not yet. Yeah, it's still.
Right, I'll be
loading.
back.
Okay, it's still loading. Please show me the money. I want it so bad.
Did you bet neutral?
No, I bet bullish.
It did go bullish. It went bullish. I bet neutral. I'm pretty sure it's going to come back bullish.
I'm just waiting for that market to open and dip. That's where we're going to get it.
My rewards have dropped in.
Dip back to neutral.
I got wrecked on neutral. No, you got to be kidding me. Chainlink, why? Why do you do this to me?
What was it, bullish?
I think it was bullish. Oh, it was bullish. I won the bet.
Yeah, it was a small pump there. It went up about 0.04.
Thank you, Chainlink. You guys are the best.
Oh, I got wrecked.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm actually cheating. I have Chainlink sending me their data. 2 minutes early just to. I wish I had that much.
I'm still looking at 37 after on their site. Damn it.
And now, what am I gonna do? It just pumped. I feel like it's gonna be neutral now. It's not gonna keep pumping.
I don't know, man. Markets are feeling pretty bullish to me, you guys. This little bullish retest on the Bitcoin chart is kind of tripping me out.
I think the Russia-Ukraine thing is kind of a black swan that nobody's really looking at. That whole thing is such a huge disinformation campaign right now.
Oh yeah, it's ridiculous.
Yeah.
They're just like, oh, they're setting up troops ready to attack, and Russia's like, what the fuck are you guys talking about?
The false flag thing, where Russia's going to film themselves being attacked, but it's all actors or something. Like, who the fuck comes up with this stuff?
Yeah, that one was I
saw that when they're about to attack.
Yeah,
they're still saying it.
I don't think it's going to happen because why would Russia do that? Like, they're not going to start a world war just because. I mean, I don't think.
It's always a ploy, dude. There's always, you know what I mean. That's why I try to make
propaganda, bro.
Do you guys remember?
It's all noise.
Do you guys remember when Russia was going to ban crypto, and then a week later, Putin was like, "We're going to support it."
Yeah, because they have to. If they get cut off from the SWIFT system, it's like global clearance stops, so they've got no way to send money internationally. Yeah, he did. Oh my god, he did. Bukele was the only one in on that
one. Into the ground and then fucking buy it.
Bukele said, "Can you guys loan me some more money?"
Yeah. I'm leveraged, guys. I'm leveraged. I'm about ready to get liquidated. Loan me some more.
Dude,
and we buy.
Money. I loved it though.
Oh, we got some bearish bets as well. I'm bullish on this.
Man feeling bearish. How are you feeling bearish? There's a giant pump, dude. No, I'm gonna get wrecked on it.
I accidentally bet neutral and then I doubled my bet on bullish.
Oh. This is a big ass pool now. This is getting fun.
Let's go.
Someone else is bearish.
Oh, I got wrecked. I'm gonna get wrecked.
I need to make some money back. There's too many people in Bull.
Oh, it's pretty fucking close though.
Yeah, there's so much on Bull.
You had it less than 5 minutes before, right? It was like every 2 minutes.
209.
Yeah, I should have.
289. Yeah, that's close. Oh man,
bullish.
That's really close.
I think I'm actually looking at finance charts.
I'm looking at the data.chain.link.
Oh, you're actually on the source of data.chain. Yeah,
where you gotta go.
Link.
But it's late though. Like you get it like a few minutes late.
Chainlink says 2.094 bullish wins.
Yes.
No.
Bull gang. This is a breakout, actually.
I see one.
That's how I felt.
It sucks itself up to fall. That's what I see.
I got wrecked. I've been getting wrecked on Fantom this whole month. Give me something.
I think we might see a little pullback.
I'm tired of losing money. I wanted to buy a car.
In it for the lols, Pharaoh.
Yeah. Buy the dip. I bought the dip, and then it dipped more. It kept dipping.
Yeah.
Hey, I think a lot of people want to know about this SinSPIRit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, tell us about that.
Yeah.
Is that for Google?
Yeah, we're pretty happy about that. Basically, we're launching a winSpirit model of ourselves. I'm pretty excited because I kind of designed it. Basically, we're doing well. on the front end, people don't notice the difference, but on the design itself, it's a mix of Spirit and Grim, Liquid Driver and Grim. They're winSpirit models. So basically, what we have is on the back end, we have farms like Liquid Driver, but we'll be putting yield optimizers on top of them, and we'll be unlocking the Spirit boosts for our farms. Because when you trade in SinSPIRIT over at our website, you're basically giving us Spirit 1-to-1, and we're gonna take that Spirit, lock it out of circulation forever, get in Spirit for the protocol, use that in Spirit to unlock the boosts for our farms. Then we put yield optimizers on top of them, and that's where you're gonna be seeing. Basically, we have yield optimizers from Reaper that we forked, that we're gonna be putting on top of those farms, and they're basically minting SinSPIRIT and giving it to you. The farms are minting SinSPIRIT and giving it to you, and compounding them for more rewards. And basically, we're getting around Spirit, the same price as Spirit, but that's not a problem because we're essentially getting a little bigger amount of Spirit than people. The SinSPIRIT Spirit farms to boost our revenue, and then we're going to use all of that revenue that we generate from our vaults, from our farms that providing liquidity over on SpiritSwap, and from the Spirit that we're collecting ourselves through our InSpirit. We're going to be using pump up the peg. We're going to be spending basically so we're going to be doing buybacks at a steady rate until we get thing that we've been working on for a while. It was a pain in the ass to code, but yeah, it's going to be cool. I can't wait to launch it.
I mean, that's a really novel concept because people are talking about protocol and liquidity, but it's almost like they're parodying the phrase. I don't really know what that means for a project. You're actually talking about revenue-backed rewards. This is Pontonomics. Tombforks are Pontonomics. It's a race. There's capital that sloshes around from gin pools to the highest APRs, and most of these projects die out. There's different approaches to it, nodes, ohms, whatever. But this is revenue that backs an emission, which is awesome.
It's not like a reserve like Tombforks where all you're betting on is that more people are going to buy.
Yeah, we essentially our long-term plan, my pipe dream, is to basically have our Scarab token be at least 50% collateralized. So basically, for every Scarab that we would be emitting and that is out there in circulation, we have 50% backing to all of it, and that is our plan. It's something that is going to be very difficult to achieve. We are aware of this. But it's going to take several stages. We're even planning on slowly lowering the emissions after we can stabilize ourselves a little bit. Over time, we're going to have to wean people off emissions because even though it's, all of us, we like the high APRs and the degenerate stuff, unfortunately, it's just not sustainable, right? I cannot be counting on just having someone behind me to give me my bag and hold my bag, and now someone behind him hold his bag, because eventually, where does it end? So yeah, that is our plan. It's something that I've been working on for a while, and we hope that the community likes it as much as we do.
I'll take a 1.
Okay, let me see. Did I make money? Please, I want a bag.
2.094. No, that's old.
I think I made a bag. I think
that chain link did it was slow.
Yeah, I think it updated. Give me wait. I got wrecked. I think I got wrecked. Can the devs do something?
Bears should have won.
Yeah,
I
don't
agree
see
on
my
that
rewards. I'm bearish waiting for 2 minutes and don't see any rewards.
It takes a couple minutes to pop in. I've noticed that. They definitely come through, but it takes a bit of time.
On that one.
No, you know what? It came neutral. It came neutral. I just wanted neutral. It came neutral. Oh, that's
calling the police.
I mean, I'm happy.
Someone called it. I feel like Chainlink just rocked this. I feel like Chainlink just rocked this. They're watching the stream. They're placing bets too. They're cheating.
Damn.
Hey guys, I've got to run for a work meeting in a couple of minutes, but this was a lot of fun. I did 4 bets and lost 2, won 2, ended up 1.3 Fantom in the green. rolling in it this morning. What a way to start my week.
Yeah, big gains.
Pleasure having you here.
Thanks for coming,
Pleasure
bro.
having you, bro. Thank you for coming.
I'll be back and forth. That's a lot of fun. I'll be back later on when I can.
Have a good one, my friend. Have a good one.
So we agreed that the penny rewards is in FTM. It's not a USD amount.
Right. No,
yes, apparently it is.
I'm feeling bearish for the first time tonight. Let's go. No, let me see where my bear's at.
Yeah, bearish too here.
It's looking.
It's gonna be neutral.
It's looking neutral, but I don't know because my charts are back.
Chainlink, do not rug me, please.
Sorry, guys. I'm gonna go neutral on this one.
I'm bearish, boys. Let's go. 45 Phantom.
I'm bearish.
Danny Phantom. Oh my god! If I win this neutral bet, I'm gonna wreck you guys.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna put 4 Phantom on neutral.
Yeah. Come on, stay up, stay up. Oh my god, it's starting to open. It's getting fun now. It's neutral.
Oh, come on.
4 Phantom on neutral. I put 4 Phantom on neutral.
Oh shit, I'm definitely gonna win this.
Oh, come on.
No. It's getting buried. No. Stop. Or no. I feel like I'm gonna get wrecked. I feel like I just got
neutral,
wrecked.
Please, neutral. Yeah.
It went neutral. You sure? No.
Yeah, it did. It's definitely neutral.
God damn it.
Oh my god. I did put a 4 Phantom bag on neutral.
I put bearish and neutral both.
That's not a bad way to go.
Yeah, I was like, well, I'm about to get wrecked. But let me see. Let's go. It's not.
Drop out. Drop.
It's not ready yet. No. It's gonna drop. When are you gonna drop?
Phantom. That's it.
I'm so mad at you.
No.
At
I see.
2:55:16. We're 1 minute in. Let's go.
The betting closes 45 seconds before the price comes out.
Yeah.
Oh, that might have been bearish. I think that tipped just before.
Come on.
No.
Come on. Bear gang.
Shit, that tipped right before it.
It's not over.
It's not over.
It's still updating.
Yeah, I'm here.
Come on.
I went bear. I got really scared there until the last second.
Yeah, that was literally right on the last second. That
neutral one.
Okay, how much did my 4 Phantom bag make?
It still isn't updated for me.
I made my fucking 20 Fanties back +1. Nice.
I'm getting rugged by Chainlink, man.
Oh, neutral definitely won then. My penny rewards just shut up.
I have Chainlink on call right now. We're betting against you guys.
House always wins.
That time, you guys. You're welcome.
So Bear didn't win that one at all. It was neutral.
It looks like it was neutral.
So Bear didn't win anything.
Ah, fucking network is not letting me. Why?
I'm waiting for it to load.
You have your estimated.
Did the spread go up again on neutral?
Depends on who's betting.
Now we lowered the spread to 0.2%.
Oh, yeah.
Just so the market, since it's so boring right now, might as well.
Makes it more fun.
We did well when we coded it. The market was a little more choppy when we were testing it. It was varying a lot. In fact, being neutral or bullish, being neutral was actually higher risk than being bullish or bearish. But yeah, since the market is so boring right now, might as well.
Gonna open in like 3 minutes, and then we're gonna see what's where things end up. I wonder if we're gonna see a gap up. there's going to be a lot of buying pressure on BTC because it was mooning into Friday.
We're going to go up.
Don't give me hope. Don't give
Is
me
that
hope.
cool?
Don't do that. Don't give me hope.
Yeah. Put it
Oh,
all
man.
in. You want there.
Telling you, we just looking at the charts, we broke the downtrend and we retested the line. So I mean, generally speaking, it's very bullish. It's just up to sentiment to match. So
Yeah, that's the tough one.
Tulip, I gotta start hanging out more
We
in your
need some new
chat,
fucking
dude.
shorts.
Keep me from getting wrecked, dude.
All right.
You gotta keep me from getting wrecked.
this way to financial freedom, sir.
I think we're heading down.
I don't know why my available Fantom balance doesn't show.
Mine does. It just doesn't always show.
It takes a while. It takes a while to show. Like, it takes a while to load.
I'm in there. Take my money, boys.
I'm
Take my money.
What to do?
I'm strapped in. I'm a complete idiot, and I strapped myself into a bullish position with 20 Phantom.
Yes.
Which
Pay me. Pay me.
I went bearish and neutral.
I went bearish.
This guy's been before because when you do online betting, like sports betting or horse betting, you definitely want to bid on like the first 3 or something coming in. Like when you're doing horse bets, you bet on the top 3. You don't bet on a horse. That's the way you win, apparently.
No, here the thinking is about the size of the pot. Like that's the only thing that matters. The probabilities you're playing. So at the end, it's better to take two position out of 3 when the third is outsized. So you make a sure gain by betting a certain amount on the other 2.
Okay.
Risk over investment.
Yeah, so it depends on when people bet. If they bet too early, you can take advantage of it. Basically, I think the problem here is like everyone will try to race to the end, and you don't have the information until the end. So the fastest at the end will have the edge.
If you gotta get your own RPC on this game, then.
Yeah.
I can never get my Phantom to load. It just keeps saying 0.
I keep betting in the wrong fucking box. Damn it!
Oh, it's going to end up neutral, I think. I bet 5.
No.
Guys, you can thank me. I did a charitable donation of 20 Phantom by betting on bullish like an idiot.
Oh my god, dude!
Yeah, I did 10 on bear.
It's gonna be close, this one.
I think it's gonna be. I was so off. Why? Why am I so bad at this?
It was either bearish or neutral. Very close.
Let's
Like,
go.
I knew I was taking a back here to lose because I'm a terrible gambler. And I'm an even worse trader. No.
Come on. 2.087.
11. It's gonna be there.
Trading, you don't have to
Come on,
close
quick.
out after 4 minutes.
Drop 2 more.
It's only a loss until you sell it, guys.
Yeah.
I think it's only at 8.7.
That's like these should all be T-shirt ideas.
Now,
what was the one we had before? Life's a Ponzi and then you die. Yeah, I gotta write this shit down.
Yeah, it just showed me 0 Phantom available that whole round.
Yeah, I'm gonna want some royalties on that one.
Millions. That's gonna make someone millions.
It's like anybody old enough to have seen Forrest Gump?
Whoa, it's pumping.
Oh my god, look at that pump. What the fuck?
Pump
Oh.
it, pump it,
Markets are open. Markets are open.
Please, give me the pump. Oh no, but it closed the position. I lost.
Yeah.
No,
You got too
I hate
excited.
my life. I hate my life. No, I
You
thought I
didn't
was
get
gonna
it?
be saved. I thought I was gonna be saved.
Playing that move and it fucking didn't happen until like 1 minute too late, or 1 second too late.
Okay, what am I gonna place this time? It's so big, the candle. Okay, I believe in Candle Daddy. Let's go.
Just be careful. Markets just open, so anything can happen right now.
It looks like that's got to come back down, but I still only see 0 Phantom in my thing. It never loads.
Try to reload the page, bro.
I reload the page all the time, man.
Clear this catch as well.
I didn't try clearing catch. I'll try that.
Yeah, I'm still stuck on the last round personally.
I already put 17 Phantom. I put 17 Phantom on this one. Wait, did I or did I not? Let's go. And
neutral last time, didn't it?
Yeah, it ended neutral.
Oh,
and I got no. I just put bullish, and literally I check on price of Phantom, and it just dropped.
Dude, split your bag and pick 2 categories.
Yeah, that's what I gotta start doing.
Same thing happened with me.
Right. Now, what are we gonna do now?
Last round was neutral or bearish?
Guys, if
no, I see the reward. Yeah, it's fine.
If this continues like this, I'm gonna have to call Harry and make a giant to tell him to make a giant buy on Phantom. Come on, dude. I gotta win a bet.
We gotta start swinging this shit.
Hey, I'm being nice. I'm telling him to buy it, and I'm not gonna dump on him. It's just to win a bet.
All right, I'm gonna try bullish on this one. Bearish even. Pray for me. Oh wait, I'm the counter trendy right now. I'm the only one betting bearish.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna go on.
No, I'm betting bearish too. I put a couple Phantom on bearish.
Did you?
Yeah.
I'm betting neutral, boys. It's just gonna go sideways.
I feel like I've been
so the confidence.
It's neutral. Yeah, it's neutral. It's neutral. It's gonna go neutral. It's not gonna go.
No, fuck that.
Bearish.
That's gonna fuck me so hard.
I got a feeling. Come on. I need this neutral one to come in because I'm down 20 Phantom.
Where are we at? Come on, just 2.82. Oh fuck! Come on.
Oh, we're dropping nicely. Dropping nice. Bitcoin's dropping.
Oh, there we go.
Oh no!
Feed
Don't do
into
this
the
to me. Don't do this to me.
2.085.
I made a mistake.
What do they say? That which wicks will get candlesticked. Oh shit! It turned green.
Yeah, go green. Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Just stay where you are. People need to stop trading this coin.
Rich people are doing low right now. They're gonna start dropping those buys. Let's go.
Sell it.
Bro, it's a Sunday. Shouldn't they be in church? Just don't trade on a Sunday. Get out of here. Let it be neutral.
No, have fun. What else are you gonna do?
You want me to ask if it's 100 out the door?
Ask how much it costs with, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, see what you can find out. I'll be right back. See what they're talking about.
It's dropping now. It's dropping.
Oh.
Yeah, it's been dropping pretty hard.
Chocolate rain.
No, sir.
Let's go. Come on. I want my buy to come in. Let's go. Give me my results.
Bitcoin keeps trying to pump up.
I think that might have ended neutral again.
Yeah, we're going into neutral, it looks like. Oh.
Let's fucking go.
I won. Finally.
Neutral game.
I just lost everything.
So I made a giant. So I made a mistake. I bet 20 Phantom on bullish and 4 Phantom on neutral, and gained back 6 Phantom. I want to cry.
Yeah, you still got something.
I bet 10 on bull and 15 on bear, and yeah, I'm fucked. That shit hurt.
Let's go. I'm gonna go. Well, how am I gonna do this one? Because I suck at betting. Let's go. Come on. It's gonna go green. It's going green. Oh my god. Am I gonna go bullish? Am I gonna go bullish?
Where did the planes actually show up?
On the rewards, sometimes you gotta wait a little bit for them.
I claimed it, but the transaction just shows nothing coming to my wallet.
Oh, but if you check your wallet balance, like check the log and all that, like it's there.
Okay, for sure.
I'll shut on Block Explorer right now. Come on. Let's go. Let's see.
Oh yeah, it's in my wallet. The Block Explorer just retarded.
If you, I'm on the thing. You see, you check it here on transaction hash. You get it. Oh wait, no, I'm not showing it because I'm showing Oh yeah, I am.
I'm poor.
Cool. Yeah,
Mine
it's
doesn't
showing
actually show like a phantom amount for me on the contract hash, but it does. I do have it in my wallet. It's just weird.
Yeah, you gotta check like the actual transaction details and go to internal transactions and see how much Phantom you're getting. It's just because it's bugged. Like the Block Explorer is just kind of retarded.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, it's the Block Explorer being dumb.
Yeah, but let's see if my bets are. Wait, did I put a bet or not? I forget. Like my memory is not good.
Definitely bullish.
Okay.
Yeah.
I put
Definitely
All right,
bullish.
putting up a bet.
I'm betting again.
Boys, let's go!
Oh no, I'm gonna miss it. I don't wanna miss it. Come on, give me the bet. Give me the bet.
I bet on
No,
neutral
give me-
too. God damn.
Give me the bet, please, please,
I went bearish on this one.
please. Give me that bet. Place that bet for me.
Dude, I was betting against everyone.
And
Oh, look at that
I'm
beautiful
gonna be-
red.
I'm full. No red. That is an ugly
Come
red.
on,
That
red.
is a terrible
Yeah.
red. And I just. Can I cancel the transaction? Cancel
That's
it.
what I need.
Cancel it.
That's what I
Cancel
need.
it. Cancel that transaction.
This is money. Damn it.
I want to cancel my transaction, please. And I couldn't cancel my transaction. Goodbye, 15 Phantom. It was nice having you in my wallet. Oh, damn.
No.
Where are we at? Like, what are the results?
I think it's gonna be neutral.
Bulls are
It
gonna
needs to
win,
be
baby!
neutral. It needs to be neutral.
I think
Or-
it's gonna
or
be
bearish.
neutral.
If
I
it's
could use a
bullish,
bearish
get
call.
fucked.
Yeah, that's Bulls, baby. Let's
No.
go!
No. It's
We're
gonna
2
down.
minutes behind.
Wow, that's bear. I mean, that's bull.
That just
Let's go.
that just
The chart was bullish,
that
boys!
just popped.
Yeah,
Dumb.
I think
Motherfucker.
I don't think it's bullish enough. I don't think it's bullish enough. Oh, it's
think
bullish.
it's-
It's bullish. It's bullish. It's going bullish. Let's go green.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's bullish.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Go
the bullish
green.
votes definitely won here.
Man,
Give me
I
some.
ain't got no
bull.
money left. Y'all took all my money. Can't believe you.
Phantom is flying.
211.
And
God
it's almost.
damn.
Let's go. Reload. I want to.
You were right about those
Oh,
Sunday
damn.
tickets, bro. They're just aping.
Lost my money again. Lost all my Phantom, so of course it's gonna pump.
I'm gonna have to keep going bearish if it keeps going up. I gotta keep going
Ooh,
bearish.
42K. Ooh, 42K Bitcoin.
Nice.
42. Let's go.
It's dropping. It's dropping. Oh my god, it's dropping. Don't drop.
Oh, that was a
don't
big
drop
pool,
it.
that one. That was our biggest pool so far.
Oh yeah, damn.
No, it's not
People
letting
were
me place bets anymore. Why?
Are you as
Yeah,
broke as
you
me?
gotta wait. You gotta wait for the. You gotta wait
Yeah,
for
there's like a 1 minute
for the next
period.
prediction.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you're in the minute that minute lock.
I got wrecked. Where was I?
So wrecked. That was a $175 pot.
And you were right. Like the
Jesus.
175 FTM. Yeah,
That's a big pot.
That
that's
was
a big
huge.
pot.
So the last round was bullish eventually, right?
It says
Yeah, it was bullish
Neutral.
last.
See if it can.
It was
It's still
neutral?
waiting. It's still
it
loading.
says neutral.
Oh yeah. It went neutral. No. Oh damn! It dropped at the last minute.
No
I think I actually bet
Yes.
neutral. I think I bet neutral, dude. Oh yes.
Oh my god! No, I feel rugged. I feel rugged.
This is the best day ever. I love this game.
I can't do this anymore. I made correct bets on like 3 in a row. I just lost like 150 Phantom, dude.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I just
when you have your
down.
you have your Monday morning calls with everybody, like, oh, so what did you do this weekend? So last night I was playing a prediction game with a bunch of dudes on Discord.
Lost like $400.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
shit, that candle came down fast on Bitcoin. We got some low liquidity
Yeah.
shit going on.
Oh,
I'm down $120. Wow, why are people so much better at me than at this game? I've been like $100 in profit, and I'm like $120 down.
it's not me. It's not me.
Neutral Daddy's been good to me. I'm gonna put a neutral bet, and every time I bet neutral, watch Fantom going bullish.
No, dude, you gotta go bearish on this one. That big candle, you gotta fade that big candle because there's no liquidity right now. It's just us. It's just retailers.
I went bearish again too because it just keeps going bullish. So I got to keep going bearish.
Oh, no. I gotta put my last bet on neutral here. Like, that's only.
It seems like neutral wins the most.
It does seem
Stop
like that,
diluting
doesn't
my
it?
neutral pulsers. You guys should go bullish or
'cause
bearish.
I can't. I've been going bullish for bear.
Yeah, because every time it dumps
neutral?
up, and we're just hanging around the same price. Oh my god.
It is. I mean, technically, it's still neutral. It's fluctuating so close to
Yeah,
that.
exactly. It's just fluctuating around neutral all this time. It just keeps bumping and dumping. Dude, what is this? What are we, a shitcoin? Let's go, come on.
You know that meme with the astronaut? Has it always been a shitcoin? Always has been.
You guys are terrible.
It all shitcoin.
The only shitcoin. I don't like that one.
I don't always trade shitcoins, but when I do, I trade FTM.
You guys just want to make me feel better for losing all my shitcoin.
It's in neutral again, motherfucker.
I can't place a bet.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Think
it's too late.
I'll take this one.
I don't think you
Gonna
can
lock
bet.
it in 1 minute.
I don't think you can
I've been
bet
trying to, and I didn't.
after like
seconds.
20 seconds before.
I managed to run my.
It
So
won't load in time.
you gotta. What's the window for betting?
It's right in the middle. It'll say bet until a date and a time. You got
Okay.
5
The
seconds.
last minute. In the last minute, you can't.
Right, right.
You guys not
final minute.
looking at Agar.trade to find this?
Never heard of
I-
it. Did
You get to see who's pumping and who's dumping.
I'm about to lose a bear bet again.
Did you
Jeez.
see that break off? Did
Yeah.
you guys see that pump?
I'm losing a bear bet again.
Eesh.
I gotta play bear
Yeah.
next time. I gotta keep playing
That's
bear.
in bullish.
Hey,
That is in
neutral one
bullish now.
again.
Does it count for both
No.
or is it the
It's
next
dumping,
minute?
it's dumping. It's dumping, it's dumping, it's dumping. Please, please, yes, keep dumping, keep
Is
dumping.
it that
No,
minute?
I think that was bullish.
It's gonna go neutral, it's gonna go neutral. It's gonna
It
go
is
neutral.
Everybody's
bullish.
betting
It's gonna
neutral
go
now.
fucking neutral, and I couldn't get my bet in. Damn it.
I didn't
Please
make
go
any money
neutral.
because everybody bet neutral. Stop it.
Everyone bet neutral. Oh my god, everyone bet neutral.
Blame
It was
Chainlink.
neutral. It was neutral.
It was neutral, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Everyone just gets their fancy. Oh no, wait, no, someone did not bet neutral. I just got some fancy back.
I'm switching it up and I'm gonna go bullish.
You're going all in, did you say?
If you're gonna go all in.
No, I'm going bullish. I only go with a couple Phantom each.
Bobby Big Bags.
I'm gonna put a bigger bag then. I'm gonna put a 40 Phantom bag here.
Oh, dude, is that a good idea with your track record?
Sometimes that's how you come back, you know?
Yeah. Gotta double down.
Yeah, I do doubles. Double down.
Believe to achieve.
You gotta. Oh my god, and it's pumping. Stop, you fucking bitch. Phantom, stop. Phantom.
At least this isn't Rubet, you know?
Is it bet? Has it gone in?
I think I'm gonna chuck it on a bullish one then. This one.
How come somebody can bet 2.7 if it says the minimum was 3 Phantom?
Because it's pre-tax. It's pre-tax.
Oh yeah, it's
after tax.
below the tax.
Yeah.
Yes, below the tax.
I put a 40 Phantom bag on neutral. Please don't wreck me.
I went bearish
Dude,
again,
why did
even
you
though I
bet
said
neutral?
bullish.
Because neutral is fun, and I'm boring.
Because he's playing the odds.
Who just
of the time
put
it comes
bullish?
neutral.
Yeah,
Who
fair
just
enough.
put bearish?
That's my bet.
Who just put bearish? I mean, who just put bearish?
I just put bearish.
That I think that one was a charitable donation, my friend.
Yeah, I think so too. I should have went bullish on that.
I'm down to my last fancy now.
Oh damn! Oh damn!
Oh, look at that!
No.
Shooting up.
Let's go.
No, keep going red to stay on neutral. You're on neutral right now, and you're gonna go neutral.
It seems like neutral is the play.
I put too much. I have overinvested by a lot. Can the devs do something?
Do something. Devs, do something.
Bull gang.
Come on. Keep it.
Please, Chainlink, no. Don't do this
Hold
to
it.
me.
Bitcoin is pumping.
Yes, more green.
No,
More
go
green.
red. Go red, please. I need this red. I need this red.
You need it. I got a Phantom and a half.
Bitcoin has to pull back.
Like
If I
11
lose
seconds
this
for this
bag-
round closes.
Come
if I
on.
lose this bag, I won't have
Am I
enough
the only
money.
person on bullish right now? Let's fucking
bullish,
go.
bro. I'm
It's really
fucking
my
bullish.
bet. It's
I'm bullish too.
I gotta keep going bearish until this shit comes down.
If this doesn't
You're
go
the
bear,
one bear.
if
I don't know
this
what
doesn't
y'all
go
looking
bear,
at. We're over
cash out
211 right now.
with the bear.
I mean, if this doesn't come down, then it's pumping all the rest of my bag, so it's worth losing 3 Phantom.
Yeah.
All relative at the end of the day.
211.
Oh my
oh,
god.
fuck, my bet
It is
got an
pumping.
error. So the bet didn't work this time for bullish.
I bet my Phantom altcoins are ripping right now.
no, please don't pump. Oh my god, did it go neutral? Please, it's all.
That went
There's
bullish.
no way.
It's
There's
211.
absolutely no way.
No, please go neutral, please.
It's definitely
It's still-
bullish.
No, I don't think it's bullish. I think it's neutral.
I think it just got to
If
210.
neutral line is rigged.
I think
Yeah,
it's
there's no freaking way that's
210.3.
Absolutely no chance that that was neutral.
Look at Bitcoin
I think
run.
it's above neutral.
Oh, look at it go! What the fuck?
hell?
Oh my god.
Did you see that?
I gotta,
Hey, guys.
I gotta keep going bearish on this. It can't keep going up forever.
No, it is,
Bruh.
dude. Look at Bitcoin right now. It's just
You
going
guys,
up like
it's-
$600.
I know.
It's money
What?
season. It's money season.
Yeah, tax returns and shit.
No,
Oh my
nothing to
God.
do with tax returns, bro.
Oh my god, it just went so bullish.
I know.
The
It's all liquid. This is all liquidations. Now.
Yeah.
These are people that are jumping on the shorts that are getting liquidated right now.
That's
It's
good
just the
for our.
market turning bullish
good for
'cause we
our
just broke
coins.
out of a massive downtrend, you guys. Come on.
Yeah, but
Market
we're
just
hitting
started to
resistance
move a
on daily pretty short here, like maybe 44.
No,
Oh my
Phantom,
God,
$3.
No, not even that. 43. I'll be lucky. We'll see if we get over 43. I'd be surprised, but we're hitting people's stops now.
It's so
I
sad.
just lost.
My
I
bet
just
failed
lost
this time.
212. Let's fucking go.
It's gotta come
Yeah,
down
You won
now.
that one.
We can't
At
keep.
least it worked.
It can't keep going up.
Up only.
Come on,
It's up only season, guys.
stop.
I'm gonna have to go
Please
bullish
stop.
because I keep losing on the bearish one.
I'm gonna go neutral again like a pussy.
I think neutral's a smart bet right now.
I just lost $80. Great. I
Oh,
feel
man.
like
That's
It's
how I
130
was
and
doing.
Chainlink's fuck up, so.
right. It's
130
Chainlink's
Phantom.
fault. Chainlink's fault. Let's go.
I'm going bearish again.
I'm trying to get my payout so I can bet again.
Girl.
This is like my 6th time, and I lost every single one. Going bearish every time.
Damn, you've been inspired by bearish. The bears.
What? No one wants to go fucking bull? Oh,
I
we got
just
one.
dropped
It's
some neutral bag.
It's actually smarter to go always bull in crypto because it's usually always going up.
I think right now bull is good right now.
Yeah, bull is looking great right now. Neutral looks good for this one. It's kind of just hanging out. Oh, it's going up. Too bad you can't take.
Bears are wrecked.
Where are we at?
Yeah, bears are getting wrecked. Bitcoin's almost 42,600.
12.5. We got to stay above 210.
Anything can happen in 2 minutes.
I'm gonna try to get my money back with this one. I got 80 Phantom. Let's go.
This one looks like neutral's gonna win.
What are you betting on, bear?
I put it on bear, yeah.
You put it on bear. Oh, jeez.
We'll see.
Oh, come on.
This is fun.
Oh, we got some more bull. I think this one's going to the bulls.
Bitcoin's dropping a little. This one's going neutral, I think.
Oh no. It's 211.
Come on, show me the fucking money.
211.5.
Please, show me the money. I have overinvested by the lot. I need it. I need it so much.
What are we looking at?
That's for the bulls, man. That's for the bulls.
Oh, damn. Big buys on bullish.
212.
Big bags on bullish now.
Stay up. 212.
I got 80 on bull, man. I told you. I'm tired of losing my money.
You kept dumping more in.
You can buy with it. You can place a bet in the last 2 minutes. Before 2 minutes is up.
Yeah. The one last minute wait is where you can't.
Shit, I should wait until we're near the end.
Yeah, but you gotta be careful because sometimes it's slow, so you won't be able to get in.
Yeah, if that transaction isn't complete in time.
Right. This gotta be bullish, bearish. It's gonna keep going up. I'm going bullish.
Oh no, it's going bear again.
You think it's gonna go bear?
This is lifting off. Yeah, we've had like for the last 15 minutes straight we've been bear.
Yeah, it can't keep going up.
Or bull, I mean. I think we're gonna go bear.
We have to.
You guys, it's pumped like 4%. This ain't shit. Let's go.
Yeah,
bulls
but
only.
Yeah, but look at the history. This is the biggest pump we had in a while.
Oh man.
So this one ends at.
Where's my money? Give me my bull money. Should be kicking it out any second.
Let's go. I want to see a big neutral one. Oh no, it's pumping so bad. Stop, please.
It's up to 213.5. It's still going.
So down.
Someone's gonna sell.
Yeah, that's a great pump for all of it.
I don't think we're gonna see any selling until New York tomorrow. I think this will keep going.
What's New York tomorrow?
So? I think someone's gonna cash out. Look, see, someone just did there.
You guys
There's
got
a little bit.
how bullish the Bitcoin chart really is. Like, regardless of all the macro bullshit and all the extra noise that you hear in the news, sometimes it's best to just ignore it. The chart is bullish as fuck.
Yeah, it is. If you look at Fantom against Bitcoin, it tells a great story.
I will tell you this: most altcoins are going to lose their value against Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to go on a fucking tear. And 9 out of 10 times right now, it's better to hold Bitcoin unless you know what shitcoins to hold on the layer 2. Just a bit of advice.
I've been in since like 2014. I don't think that's gonna happen again. I don't think Bitcoin dominance is ever going back up to levels that it used to be. So
not the levels that it used to be, but it's going on a run, and Bitcoin is going to go on a run, which means that it will outpace 90% of alts, maybe 80%.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to see that happen again.
Like niche. No, I guarantee you, sir. I promise you. But
people don't want Bitcoin. People are DCAing out. Of the biggest holders are selling. It's not going to be.
I think Bitcoin's going to really make a really big pump here short term. Like I'm thinking, like we're going to break 80, 90,000.
That would be interesting, but
all of that aside, all I'm saying is make sure that you look at your Fantom Bitcoin chart or your altcoin Bitcoin chart, because 9 out of 10 times those charts are going down and Bitcoin's going up, which means dominance is rising, and you will gain more by holding Bitcoin. That's the only advice I was trying to share.
Yeah, that's been the historical way. When Bitcoin drops below the 20-week moving average, people swap their altcoins into Bitcoin for safety. But I just don't think that's the strategy anymore. Or it's changing. I don't think Bitcoin's going to be number one by the end of the year, unless it has a huge pump.
Ooh, you don't think so?
Utility coins.
What's going to go in there?
Trade Finance. A fourth of quorum.
I want your credentials revoked, sir.
That is controversial.
I think ETH is dying too.
You think ETH is dying?
Yeah, I think there's a lot. I call them legacy coins.
No way, XRP.
XRP's dying too.
They're the only ones with clarity. But all right. And Asian countries are definitely using XLM, which is basically XRP. So, but we won't go there.
I thought XLM was a different energy.
There's a lot of legacy coins with high market caps that need to lose some market cap, like Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Satoshi version.
Yeah. Get the hell out.
XRP,
get out of here.
All sorts of. Why is this prediction market not updating to the next one? It just keeps saying 3.
I don't know. I haven't got my rewards either.
Yeah, the network is really, really, really slow. I'm actually even trying to manually run it.
I want too much money, that's what.
This is really cool, but I thought
we broke the machine.
I thought you guys.
It says high score. I think I broke it.
I thought you guys would be allowing us to bet Scarab and G Scarab instead of Fantom to give more buying power to Scarab.
We're gonna have more games with where you can place bets with Scarab and G.
Yeah, that'll help out.
For this one, we decided to go with Fantom just because we wanted to just be able to do straight buy-ins of Fantom. Because I agree that there is an advantage in creating some buy pressure on Scarab through that.
Yeah, that would be cool, and you could burn some of it too.
Oh my God! All of the transactions are failing. Jesus. What is happening to this network?
Somebody's not happy.
Yeah, somebody's got to mute their mic.
Someone pissed Ari off. He shut it down.
Yeah, it's still showing the whole bet distribution prize pool. That all needs to get this.
Yeah, it's still in the last round. Well, almost. Yeah, it's starting on the round after the next one.
Yeah, I'm trying to restart this market. It's really, oh my God. Give me a sec.
Hey, we did that paper that printer finance with no peg. It's going pretty damn well.
I didn't understand one thing. What was the whole thing?
I mentioned it to Bernardo in Telegram. We created a tomb fork with no peg, and it's going really well. We had a Genesis that went well, over 5 million TBL in Genesis, and it's printing great APRs right now. Not this show, but
what project is that?
It's a printer .financial.
Oh, okay.
So it'll.
That one's been around for a long time.
No, it's brand
new. I
new.
think you think of printer.paper. That's what I was thinking at first.
Oh, okay.
The two tokens on Fantom are paper and ink. You stake ink to earn paper.
In the boardroom?
Yeah, in the boardroom. It's just called the printer.
By the way, how did the thing with not having a peg work? Yeah.
It's going well so far. We're still in the initial phase of people just FOMOing into both the coins, so they're both just still going up. APR is high. So we're really only on, I think, Epic 3 or 4. So we'll see what happens. There hasn't been any significant sell-offs. It just keeps going up.
But does it just print even if it's below Fantom?
Yeah, it's not pegged to anything.
Yeah, they've incorporated some other mechanisms, like there's a 5% tax on buys and sells on their share token and some other things. You should read their docs. It's kind of interesting.
Yeah, read the documentation. It is really cool. It's going to be cross-chain between like 5 chains, and there's going to be a lot of arbitrage opportunity for that, which will also help with volume and peg. I mean, and not peg, but the price of paper and ink.
So is there no bonding?
No bonds.
Okay, I'll do read the docs. I do like reading.
Yeah, it's a twist. It's something different.
Did you guys know that Scarab is on 50% off sale right now?
I didn't know that, but I'm gonna go and buy some right now.
What do you mean it's 50? It just dropped 50%?
No.
50% below peg, pretty much.
Oh, okay, yeah. So
we did go up.
It is 0.5 to 1 peg.
I'm pretty much buying 1,000 Scarab every time I swing a big trade.
It's definitely one of those ones you want to sit on.
1,000 Scarab.
Yeah,
Did I say Scarab?
Shit like this really gonna help too.
I was in Scarab on day one, and a buddy of mine started with about $1,000, and within like 8 days, he had like $120,000 just from
holy shit,
just from compounding. And you know what? He took a little bit of profits, but he watched it all go away too. He's still holding. He's still got faith in Scarab.
Jesus.
I'm still holding too. I still got G.
Damn, I'm impressed. 120,000. Jesus, that is a lot of money.
If I try to talk to normies about anything in crypto, much less Tomb Forks, they just look at me like I'm literally insane. They can't understand what's going on here.
Yeah, you gotta buy S to trade for G and stake G to earn V. We got the weirdest names and stuff.
You can't talk to normies about this stuff, dude. I tried telling my mom that I turned basically $600 into like 8K yesterday, and she's like, "But is it like real money? Can you put it in the bank?"
Right? They don't.
That's what my
girlfriend's like. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
She's like, the dollars are decoupled from real value, you know.
When you tell people the APRs, they seem like they act like there's a catch to it. Like that you see.
Yeah, they're like, but you can't spend that though, right? That's just there.
No, actually, I can get it to my bank account within 5 minutes.
Yeah, here's a video.
Yeah, my mom also never believes me. I'm like, I'm making money here. I just invested in this, made a bunch of money, and she's like, but it's not real money. When are you gonna have real money?
You know why the reason she thinks that is because you keep reinvesting it and making more money and you don't actually pull it out. So she's like,
but you don't ever people don't even know. My mom, she was like in the Department of Finance as a clerical associate at a pretty high level. And when I showed her Bitcoin as a kid, bro, she was not respecting it. And she was just like, oh my God, it's illegal drug money. And I knew what Liberty Reserve was, but I knew what was going on because of the 3 different codes that were put together to make Bitcoin.
Yeah, I mean, catching onto it early. I mean, everyone here would have been rich. You got
for
it
sure.
Do you want to hear a funny story though? You want to hear a funny story? So,
yes, sir.
I am was actually scammed in like a pretty hefty Bitcoin arbitrage thing back in when was that? Like end of 2019, and I had bought about 150 Bitcoin at $3,000. So needless to say, because of the scam, all of that entire bag was gone. It was gone. And like I had like Interpol involved because it was a company that I thought was in Bulgaria, and actually they were in Israel, and we got pretty fucking close, but they just went to the win. So 150 Bitcoin at $3,000. I will remember that my entire life.
I'm sorry, I really lost. But you can invest in the manufacturers and the banks that are building.
And not only the people that bought Bitcoin early, but how about the people that got the Hex airdrop and staked their Hex?
I didn't hear about that.
The Hex, I don't know about that.
Any Bitcoin holder got free Hex airdrop to them, and if you staked Hex back in the day, it made you a millionaire.
Did it?
Oh yeah, yeah. Look into Hex. It's still one of the top coins, but CoinMarketCap refuses to show it.
Because it was airdropped.
Because it has a controversial head creator, Richard Hart. And
I never heard of it. Oh, do you know what? I think I was looking at that the other day because I saw an ad for it on CoinMarketCap.
Maybe they're letting them back on CoinMarketCap now. It's really like it's in the top 5 market cap, maybe top 10.
Yeah, I did look at this. Yeah, I did.
It was
Richard Hart.
Yeah, it was number 3 market cap for a little bit. And back in May of last year, when Bitcoin crashed like 80%, Hex went up like 2,000% while Bitcoin was crashing. So it does some strange things. But Richard owns about 90% of the Hex. That's what I don't like about it. That's why I don't like Tomb, because Harry owns 90% of the Tomb. I like things like Scarab that let the, you guys let the community build the liquidity, and we're not relying on one billionaire.
Hex is a marketing machine. I mean, I've worked in marketing for 15 years.
Yeah,
and basically his site it's just hitting everything. There's a tab called scam on it, and you can pick an option, and it gives you an explanation about why that option isn't valid for holding Hex.
Jesus, what?
Hex sounds like the working functional BitConnect.
Yeah. Hex is timeshare. It's actually where T-share actually came from years before Tomb. The word T-share, you would exchange your Hex for T-shares and sit on them. The longer you wait, the more money you make. And if you exit early, it's like a 60 or 70% tax that goes to all the people that didn't exit early. It's basically a timeshare, or what do you call it? A CD, a certificate of deposit. That's basically what Hex is. It's on the Ethereum network. They're building a blockchain called Pulse Chain. He's got delusions of grandeur, thinking he's going to airdrop
billionaires, dude.
Yeah, he thinks he's going to airdrop all of the ETH tokens to everybody on the Pulse chain, and everything's just going to work. Like you can't just airdrop Aave onto the Pulse chain and expect Aave to work on Pulse. That's just not how it works. But he's got billions of dollars. Maybe he figured out how to do that. I just don't think it's possible. I have some background in dev.
Yeah, I don't know how he could
try to provide the same amount of liquidity that is on the ETH platform, right, on his own Pulse chain platform. And then from there, he can have it where they do a one-to-one swap or some kind of shit like that.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, but he would need.
But he was saying
to provide the liquidity.
Right. Well, he was saying that it wasn't a burn your ETH token for the new token. He was saying you keep both.
That sounds like bullshit.
Yeah, he's just a bullshitter trying to pump Hex. He always has been. But it's always been a good investment to lock up for a while, like a year. But that's
what good marketers do. They sell you on the potential of what could be.
Yeah.
And he doesn't ever have to deliver Pulse or anything like what he says Pulse can do.
I did see Pulse
people
pop up on. I did see a Pulse test chain pop up. I actively watch new blockchains because there's some great things going on right now. There's some blockchains layer 1s out there that are EVM compatible, Solidity compatible, that are way better than anything we use now, but they're just not popular yet. It's going to be a wild year. And this page is not updating. I want to keep betting.
Yeah, Chainlink's fallen over.
Is it relying on Chainlink data?
Seems to be. The market's a little bit sturdier now.
Still says 325.
Yeah, it's fucking a lot. The problem is, basically because there was a problem with fucking gas. Our keeper went down, and now we're trying to. And our dev, I'm trying to contact the guy because we try to separate the keys just because it's safer that way. But one
yeah,
of the devs is available right now. He's the guy with the key for that one.
Hey, Saro, if you have some time, can you explain in like layman's terms the whole can you explain in layman's terms the whole winSpirit? I mean the whole SinSPIRIT. For people that aren't familiar with winSpirit or winSpirit, you know, what is it all about?
Yeah, okay, well, first, I think I should explain what winSpirit is. Basically, SpiritSwap created something which is essentially a locking revenue-sharing token where you lock away your spirit. They have different locking times. You get more in spirit per each spirit that you lock if you lock a longer period of time. And you essentially that in spirit gives you access to boosted APRs on some of the SpiritSwap farms, and it also gives you access to basically weekly distributions of revenue that they generate on their SpiritSwap platform. A winSpirit model is a wrapped version of the Spirit token that is created by another protocol for them to use. And SinSPIRIT is one of those tokens. It's a winSpirit model, and essentially, our vision behind it is, I've explained it a little bit, on here before. It is essentially to have yield optimizers that basically, when you come to trade SinSPIRIT, you're going to give us a spirit. We lock it forever, keep the inSPIRIT, and unlock those boosts for our vaults and for our farms. And you come to us, and basically, you're going to have yield optimizers available to you. You deposit there, we get those boosts for you. And we're basically going to be minting SinSPIRIT and giving and compounding into your tokens, and then using the spirit that we get to first. Well, we're going to have to use it to control the price of the SinSPIRIT token because we can't let it drop, which means we're going to have to be using the majority of that spirit for buybacks of SinSPIRIT continuously. But basically, all of the revenue that we get to keep for ourselves is going to be used to initially add liquidity to the SinSPIRIT spirit pair to farm as much spirit as we can. We want to be the biggest liquidity provider on that farm, just because it gives us emissions outside of our protocol, and that way we can establish a pretty solid revenue stream. And using that, we're going to use after we establish that, we're going to use that revenue to buy back a Scarab when we have enough to really consolidate ourselves and to be sure that we can take us to peg and not get dumped on immediately. It also comes with a vault where you can single stake your SinSPIRIT to basically have access to the weekly distributions of the weekly distributions of Spirit's emissions, and when you're on that vault, it will just compound for more SinSpirit. This model was something that I'm really passionate about. It's something that I was very happy to bring, because in my eyes it gives people who are a little more averse to risk another option within the Scarab ecosystem, and with a little less risk. Obviously, it doesn't have the huge APRs that it comes with, that you have with Scarab Fantom LP and things like this, but it's a lot safer too. But you're still helping the protocol by investing in SinSPIRIT, because we're going to use that revenue to help Scarab, which means we can offer something that has lower risk and that helps our protocol, and it helps us generate revenue, which all goes back into holding our peg. We said we had a long-term plan to continue to get more revenue and to acquire as much as we could to assist our peg, and this is one of those moves. We have more in the pipeline, but this is something that we're really happy to bring. It took a while to develop, and we had to model it very carefully and think about how we were going to implement it. And yeah, it's very simply, I think that's about it. If anyone has any questions, I think we can answer a few questions if you guys have them before closing down.
Is the SinSPIRIT LP going to be on the SpiritSwap farm?
Yeah, so they're going to be on SpiritSwap's farms, and one day after launch, we're going to put up the yield optimizers. We would have put them immediately, but basically, since SpiritSwap and they're trying to be transparent, they can't put it up before launch, because then they would be accused of maybe letting us farm there early and things like this.
Right.
So basically, they decided to. Once they launch it, they're going to launch it at the same time we launch our model. It's going to be available immediately. I'm actually going to be providing liquidity from my wallet personally to start with, just because we don't want to drain the funds from the treasury. So I'm going to be providing liquidity from my wallet at launch. So it will have enough for people to trade on it. But if you want SinSPIRIT, probably initially the best way to go about it was to trade it directly with us. So basically, it'd be giving us SinSPIRIT that will lock for SinSPIRIT, and you get SinSPIRIT at a 1-to-1 ratio. It's gonna be available, and then we can't after the launch. We're gonna put up a yield optimizer for it. We just can't put it earlier because we can't test it.
So the SinSPIRIT itself on SpiritSwap.finance, that's going to help the price of Scarab alone.
Yeah, so you trade your SinSPIRIT directly with us, or you can buy it on the market. But yeah, essentially, the more SinSPIRIT there is in circulation, it's a good sign for us, because it means that we have generated revenue to put up that SinSPIRIT out.
Sorry to interrupt, but the prediction is already running again.
Yeah, it's running again. I'm going bear.
I'm sorry, guys. Sorry to interrupt.
But I'm gonna open.
Oh, you going bear, bro? You are brave.
Yeah, well, it's up so high. Sorry, I cut you off on the. No,
don't worry, man. But yeah, we're trying to offer a parallel option to Scarab that still helps the protocol, but allows people to trade in a little less risk. And for people who are a little bit less degen, it's a good play. So yeah, that's what we're trying to offer. And
that
it gives
sounds
us a
awesome.
service to offer to expands our yield optimizer presence.
I mean, with the Certic audit now out, and with just the presence on SpiritSwap, It's just a matter of time until peg is reached, and then once peg is held, like we find a floor above peg, I think the whole system's gonna start flying again.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do, man. That's what we keep working for.
Anybody ever heard of Bacon Coin?
I've never heard of it, but I am curious because it's a funny name.
Well, it's not what you think. It's a stablecoin backed by U.S. home loans. I'm reading the white paper right now. It's actually like they got Richard Branson on board this thing, Virgin Investing.
Bacon Coin is a good investment, is what you're saying, because that is a weird name.
I don't know. I've not read this white paper yet, but I'm already thinking like, when's the next Tomb fork where they use their stablecoin as the peg coin? I don't even know what fucking fork it's on. What chain it's on. It doesn't even say in the white paper. It just talks about the fucking mortgage market.
By the way, guys, I want to say thank you all for coming. I still have a lot of work to do, and I ended up extending this for another hour. And I still have some things that I need to get done before tomorrow, some testing for SinSPIRIT. I want to thank you all for coming. If you guys have any questions for us, do let us know. And DMs or me or the mummy, we're always answering questions. Thank you all for coming. It's been a lot of fun. Thank you to all the community members and our invited people. It's a pleasure to have you here. I hope you had fun. And thank you all, guys.
Thanks, bud. We'll see you around.
Yep.
Yeah, man, this has been great. Really appreciate coming on here. It's been a good time. Thanks for having me and having me on here to represent Raiders for sure.
And on Tuesday we are going to have AMA with Scarab Finance, so half of it's going to be on Yoshi and other on Scarab server.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's gonna be fun too, and please do show up because we're gonna be answering some questions about our partnership and you know what we're both cooking. So yeah,
We'll try to arrange some giveaways too.
Yeah, we're gonna keep giving away 1 G Scarab. So yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Sounds cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry about that. My phone died for a while there, guys.
And my bear turned into a bull again. Price is just pumping.
Damn.
Everything, at least all my other bags are pumping. I'm only betting 3 at the minimum at a time.
But
At least
thank you so
we're
much,
making
you
money.
guys. I really have to go before I don't test it. I need to test so many things yet. I just need to double check. I'm nervous. I gotta double check everything.
All right, man. Good work on everything.
I'm gonna be checking things until 10. I'm only gonna be relaxed when we launch and everything goes perfectly. Until then, I'm gonna be busy testing stuff.
That's the way to do it.
Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. Again, thank you so much. Thank you for coming. It's been a lot of fun. Love hanging out with you. And we will be doing this again for sure.
Sure.
And
I'll be here.
yeah, be ready for the SinSPIRIT launch. We can't wait to show it to you guys. And let's fucking go. We're gonna get to peg.
I've got my G Scarab ready to go on SinSPIRIT, man.
Mine's still been in the temple the whole time, man.
Hey, let's get this pumping in the Fantom Alliance too. I'm sure we can get a lot of people on board to help.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, definitely, man. I'm happy you joined.
It's a pleasure, dude. Actually, it's a cool group. I love the projects that are on there. I actually knew quite a bit of them beforehand, and it's fun to work with people. It's cool meeting new people, dude. I'm having so much fun just meeting cool people from other projects who have great ideas and who are devs doing imaginative stuff. It's very fun for me because I love discussing crypto and tokenomics and how things can work and how to develop things. So to me, I'm having a blast doing this.
Yeah, man, and definitely holding events like this to kind of help you to cut loose and just relax a little bit and socialize a little more. So I love shit like this. It's great.
Well,
Yeah,
I made 60 FTM, so I'm gonna go put that into some
Yeah.
LPs
Yeah.
right now. I'm gonna go zap it on some LP. So
It went bullish the whole time. It went up 5% in the time we were talking here.
40 of that was mine.
You're right. I think I won one round where I was the only one that bet on bullish or something. I won that round, and that was a big pot, so I'm good.
Nice.
I'm solid.
Congratulations.
Thank you, guys. I'm gonna go now. Thank you so much for being here.
Yep.
Thanks, mate.
Yep.
Thank you.
I'm about to jump off too.
By the way, guys, I have a question. Is anyone holding Foxes of the Opera NFTs? Because I just bought one and I wonder if I can stake it somewhere.
Oh,
What is it?
I don't know. The Foxes of the Opera.
I don't know.